Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Walmart rewards in store. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've created Google Docs here of how to do this. So to use Walmart rewards in store, what you first need to do is to set up a Walmart's reward. So ensure you have a Walmart account with reward points. You can earn points through various promotions, Walmart Plus membership, or by using a Walmart credit card. Then from there, you need to link your Walmart rewards. So if you haven't already, link your Walmart account to the Walmart app. Download the Walmart app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and then log into your account using your Walmart credentials. From there, open the Walmart app and navigate to Account or Wallet section to view your reward balance. And once that is all set up, what you need to do after that is shop in store. So visit your local Walmart store and select the items you would like to purchase, and then take those items to the checkout counter. Inform the cashier that you'd like to redeem Walmart rewards. And then from there, open the Walmart app on your phone and go to Wallet or Reward section. Tap on Use Rewards and generate a barcode or QR code for the cashier to scan. The rewards amount will be applied to your purchase, reducing your total amount due. And then from there, pay any remaining balance using your preferred payment method.